Texture coordinates tell Blender where and how to place the texture on the model, how to start the texture on the model, how to spread it, whether to repeat it, whether to stretch it, or whether to stick it in reverse. So texture coordinates describe the starting point and how to spread the texture on the model, and the options are generated: normal, UV, object, camera, window, and reflection. The first one, generated, is a coordinate created by Blender itself. This means that our model does not need to have UV. Normal shows the direction of the surfaces in color. This means that each part of the model gets a specific color. These colors represent the same X, Y, and Z axes that are shown in RGB here. UV is the most accurate mode, which is when we unwrap the model. And for photos that have textures, for example, wood, stone, and metal, it is the best one that we can use. Object plays the texture based on the position of the object. This means that if our model moves, the texture moves with it, and it is used for 3D textures. Camera plays the texture from the camera angle and acts like a projector. The window part means that the texture is played from the perspective of the image window, and reflection plays the texture as if it is being reflected, which is usually used for glass and metal effects.